There's many different ways to clean things. Lots of different opinions on what the best way is. Cleaning the floor in our unit. It's a interlockable plastic tile. Slightly textured, so it does need a little bit of scrubbing. It gives a lot of grip when it's dry, which is very handy. What we like to use is one of these buckets on a grip guard wheel dolly. Chemical Guy's yellow drill brush, bog standard drill. We get another one of them. Instead of putting your bum on the seat, put your belly on the seat. Tap your legs up and just spin round. Takes a little while because we've got a slight slope in it, but it's more fun than just scrubbing.